Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Today is a great day, I'm happy. Hello, you lovely creative beings around the world. Have I ever told you that when you raise your arms in the air, that you cannot be unhappy? That is a fact, and that's so nice. So try it out for you. To be in the present moment, it is such a gift. Because when we can be in the present moment, we can feel. And feeling is belonging to our soul. And when we are with our soul, everything can happen. Our soul has the power of now. The power to be. Just to be. How can we come into the present moment? One thing is we can learn to meditate, and we will feel that with meditation, slowly, we are getting more and more into the present moment, and our thoughts will end after some time. That's the best way. Another way is to come into the present moment through creativity. This can be that when you are playing an instrument and playing it with such surrenderness that you totally enjoy it, and there is no more past or no more future. You are just in that moment. And another way is painting. With painting it is also that we can be in a blissful moment because we like it. And when we are doing it out of our soul, then it's very easy, because then there is no more expectation, there is no more criticism, there is just joy. And you are something like a witness and see what to paint is going to produce on your paper, because it's led by your soul. And this is soul painting. With soul painting, it gets silent inside yourself. If you want to see how it happens, then there is a free guide for you waiting at the site happysoulpainting.com. You can get that guide and start it. I wish you all a happy and wonderful day ahead.